Yo, what's up guys? So today we're gonna do a review on the Anker Work 4K AI webcam. I got this recently. First thing, when you get this, you're gonna struggle to open it. So make sure there is a tape, just remove the tape and then you can easily open it. I actually forgot how. Oh yeah, right here, okay? So the tape would be right here from the bottom of the box and just open it. Don't struggle from the sides because that's what I did. We're gonna review this camera and see how it looks like. It can be used for like your work. Of course, you open it, you get the camera inside, you get the papers, instructions. You have to download their app, which is software.ankerwork.com. That makes it much better from what I've heard and I've read. And yeah, you just get steps, a lot of papers, and the camera would be right here. I actually plugged it on top of my monitor, the cable for the camera. So let's review it. I'll just show you where I put my camera. All right, so I put the webcam on top of my monitor and I have a ring light, which I got a long time ago, but I haven't been really streaming. So I'm gonna start streaming now since I have this webcam. I'll turn off the ring light so you guys can see the view in a low light exposure. What you can notice is closed, so you can open it and close it from here. And yeah, we're gonna switch now to the monitor. Alright guys, so you'll find the software when you type software.anker.com. You can either type it in the URL, which will take you to the website, or you can just find it in the first link, click on it, and this is the website. Mine is Windows, so you just click on download. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then it's easy to set up from there. Just once it's done downloading, just follow the setup. So once the download is done, you just need to follow the steps and you need to sign up in order to use it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just so you know, guys, this is not a sponsored video. This is just from my experience. I just got this webcam and I wanted to help out anyone who wants to use this webcam. So you can watch this video and see by yourself if you really want to get this webcam or not. It's your choice. I'm just showing you the steps so everything goes smooth. All right, so now we're using the webcam and this is the program that you're going to use so you can have the full optimization of the webcam. And you can see, so it has some features. So you can see AI focusing, so autofocus. If you turn that off, it won't like focus on your face if you're moving around a lot. I like to keep this on and face focus, which if a face appears, the webcam will focus on the face to make sure that it's clear. So I like to keep these two settings on. And of course, there's exposure smoothing. So you can turn that on if you want to. As you can see, you get a box and you can move it around wherever you want. That's too much. Yeah, but if you move, yeah, I don't know. So I'll just turn this off for now and I just keep auto exposure on so it does it by itself. And of course, face exposure, so for the face. And of course, there's HDR, as you can see. Oh yeah, before I turn it on, you can't turn it on if it's on 4K. You can mess around with this. And we can get back to this setting. But first of all, let's look at the video. So of course, in the video, you can see 95 degree. There's 78, which gets closer. There's 65. And there is solo frame, which is a funny, yeah, a funny way of, you know, catching your face. So for example, you want to have a reaction. It looks like anime. But yeah, this is solo frame. I'm gonna keep it 95 for now. Horizontal flip is just flipping the camera. And not right now, the resolution is 4K. So we can try 180p. We can try 720 and 360. So this is on 180p, as you can see. I like this type of quality for now as a streamer, so I can, because when you put it on 4K, you cannot put it on 60 frame rates, right? However, if you put it on 1080, you can put on 60 frame rates. You can enable 60 frame rates. So 1 second. Whoa, that was a high exposure. So here's the 60 frame rates. It looks good. I like it. So yeah, there's also 720p if you want to. I don't know. Maybe you want to go down. And this is too much. 360p, that's like 2000 10. I mean, some people like it, I guess. But yeah, for now, we're going to keep it 1080 and 60 frame rates if you want to. My recording is bugging out, so I'm just going to keep it 30 frame rates. And this output mode, I have no idea what does it do. Like, if I click on lossless, I don't know, it looks like more a movie style for some reason. Maybe clear? I have no idea, but you can mess around with that. I'll just keep it general for now. And there's anti-flicker. If it's flickering a lot, you can keep that on. For example, some people like to keep it 60 and it flickers a lot. Whoa. Okay, there we go. So it fixed it. And I'm gonna turn it off. So I don't know if you noticed, we were using the webcam audio. As you can hear, this is a 360. And we have AI noise reduction. So if we remove the noise reduction, you can hear more of the sound around the camera. And yeah, the AI does a good job. So if I turn it on, see, it sounds way better. And there's also 90-degree, which means it just picks up the it just picks up the voice from this side instead of the 360. And of course, AI noise reduction. If you turn it off, I don't know if there's a difference. I can't tell. But yeah, it seems very helpful. Alright, I'll show you the HDR before we end this video. So we put the quality on 1080p, 30 frame rates, and we'll turn it on now. And as you can see, it looks more, I don't know. I don't like it honestly, but you can mess around with it, make it look nice, sharp. There's a brightness. Yeah, you can mess around with the brightness, the sharpness. This is way too sharp. Saturation, contrast ratio, and you get the idea. Here's no light, so you guys can compare. Okay, you can't see anything. Let's just turn on. So this is like a normal room light. I have a hanger here, I just realized. There we go. No more messy room. Alright guys, so overall I'm satisfied with the review and I like this webcam. It's much better than the old one I had, which is this was the old one that I had, which was I don't know which number, but this is a Logitech, and this was so bad. Like, first of all, it's like a square frame, and this is rectangle, as you can see. So when you're gaming, you can just put it when you want to switch scenes, you can just put it on one screen. This one, I would have to literally zoom in. It's already zoomed in, and I was not happy with this webcam. I might make a review video on it, so in case anyone wants to, use it, they want to see what the camera looks like. I'm very satisfied with this webcam. If you guys want to get it, get it. Make sure you get it on sale though. Don't get the full price. Get it when it's on sale on Amazon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. And yeah guys, peace.